Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TrvLrn with Jay. So I'm back with another episode in a stock market series. So as promised, I'm going to discuss the most important thing that you will require to start trading. So in this video, we are going to discuss what is a Demat account and what is a trading account. Why do we need a Demat or a trading account? In olden days of share market, buyers and sellers had to visit a stock exchange whenever they need to buy or sell their shares. In the same way, buyer used to carry their cash and seller used to carry their share certificate whenever they wanted to trade their shares. Now the entire process has been moved to online, due to which Demat and trading account comes into picture. So what is a Demat account? Demat account is a short form for dematerialized account, which means it's an account which holds your shares in electronic form. As the entire process of shares is moved online, we do not have shares in the physical form, we have it in the dematerialized form, that is stored in your Demat account. In the same way, cash is stored in your trading account. Your Demat account and your trading account will be opened with the same stockbroker. For example, we have n numbers of stockbrokers right now in the market. For example, Zerodha, Sharekhan, Angel Broking, etc. So you can open your account with any of the stockbroker and you will be able to start trading. You would be having a question on how do you choose your stockbroker. So I would suggest you to choose a stockbroker where the brokerage charges is less and the delivery charges is almost zero. So let me explain you how the entire transaction of a trade occurs. So everyone have their savings account. So if I want to buy shares and I have say 10,000 rupees in my savings account, but I do not want to use the entire 10,000, I only want to use only 5,000 to trade for shares. So what I will do is, I will transfer rupees 5,000 from my savings bank account to my trading account. So in that case, the amount is transferred to your trading account, and from your trading account you will be able to buy shares, and these shares will reflect in your Demat account after 2 days from your transaction date, as it takes 2 days for clearance. In the same way, if I want to sell these shares, the shares will be moved from my Demat account to the buyer's Demat account, and the amount will be credited to my trading account. And if I want to use this amount, I can anytime transfer it from my trading account to my savings bank account. How to open a Demat account? First of all, choose a stockbroker. Second is submit your Demat accounting form. Third is fulfill the KYC norms. Fourth is go through the verification process. Fifth is sign the agreement copies. And the last is get your BOID number. BOID number is a unique beneficial owner identification number which will be used to access your Demat account. So that was all for today. I will see you next week with another episode of a stock market series. Till then, like, share and subscribe to my channel.